Hi, this is Diane. Welcome back to my luxury channel where we talk about everything designer handbags, luxury jewelry, or luxury handbags, designer jewelry. Doesn't matter, whatever you want to say. And also cosmetics and everything we all know and love. So today, before the topic of the day, I'm going to show you my bag of the day. So there's a lot of the days. Topic of the day, bag of the day. Bag of the day comes first. Here we go. My bag of the day is my Chanel mini flap denim, dark denim crossbody bag. It's beautiful. I love it. It's beautiful. I'm going to show you the sides. Side. I'll move the chain, show you the back. It's got a little pocket. And the bottom. And it has a chain. It's only a crossbody, not a removable chain, but that's fine. I bought it as a crossbody and I love it. I did an unboxing of this a while back, maybe a week or so ago. I will put that in the description so you could see the unboxing if you're interested in this bag. And do you like it? Do you not like it? Comment, whatever you like. Let me know. Bag of the day, Chanel flap mini dark denim with gold hardware. Here you go. I'm going to put it aside. Okay, now the topic at hand. I'll fix my microphone a little. Okay, topic at hand. So, as we all know, Valentine's Day is coming up, and my friend Mandy from Just One More Bag 01 asked me to do a Galentine's Day gift swap. I thought that was very cool. Never done it before. My channel's only been around for maybe 4 or 5 months. So this is my first Galentine's Day gift swap. I guess we would call it a gift swap, right? Because we're swapping gifts. My microphone keeps moving. Anyway, I'm not going to pay attention to my microphone anymore. As long as you can hear me, we're good. Okay. So I mailed her my gifts last week. She mailed me hers this week. And I have the box next to me. I'm going to open the box, and my boyfriend Brendan, who's my cameraman, he opened the box for me because, you know, the box cutter things, I'm not so good with that. So to avoid any injuries or mishaps, the box is open. And here we go. Galentine's Day celebration. All right, here's the box. Oh, she did put a little hearts on the box. I will pick it up and show you if the stuff doesn't fall out. There's the hearts. Very cute. And the box is open. And we have some really nice tissue paper. Very cute. Pink. Nice color. Put it over there. More tissue over here. I'm going to not put that in the video because I don't want to be messy, but very nice. She packed the box so beautifully. Thank you, Mandy. And I will start with the card. And I'm going to push the box back a little bit. Here we go. Here's the card. It says, oh wait, it has hearts. She's very good with the hearts. They're little silver hearts. A little bling never hurt anyone. Okay. Happy Galentine's Day on the front. And it says, the best things in life are even better with friends. Cheers to us. So happy you two brought us together and we have become friends. Happy Galentine's Day, Mandy. Here's the card. It's little penguins. It's very cute. If you can see that, I put it in the light. Brendan, how am I doing with showing this? He usually directs me around to say, put it in the light, move it up, move it down. There we go. And the inside is cute as well. Cheers to us. I love that. I say cheers a lot. There you go. Thank you, Mandy. Very cute card. That's on the side. Okay. There's a lot of gifts in here. Did you go overboard? I hope not. But I'm going to open every gift and show you. Here we go. Number 1. Again, with the pink tissue, it's very appropriate for the day. I'm unrolling. I'm unraveling. And it's a very cute pen. I don't know, where did you find this? Galentine's Gang. It's got hearts. It's a cute little pen. Showing it to you. Hopefully I can see it. Brendan, is it in the camera? He's not paying attention. I think he's taking a nap. Brendan, don't take a nap. I want to make sure people see these gifts. They're very cute. It's a pen. It's got hearts. I'm going to put it here. And here's something else in the same pink tissue. Opening up. This is so much fun. Oh, how cute is this? It is a bag charm, keychain bag charm. It's a heart. Of course, a little more bling, which is very nice. You never can have enough bling. It's silver with little crystals. It's very cute. It's got the little hook here for if you want to hook it on a bag. It has a circle for a keychain. I love it. Love. Putting it on the side here. There's something else in here. Oh, how cute is this? These are straw tops. Straw covers, straw tops, whatever. So when you have, let me show them first. They have hearts. They're very cute. If you have a water bottle and you don't want the water to come out of the straw, you put this on, and it adds a little, festivities to your water bottle. Very cute. I will be using them. Thank you so much. Very cute. Love it, love it, love it. I love the hearts and pink theme, of course, for the day. She did a good job. Not over yet. Here's something else. Oh, heart paper with hearts on it. Tissue with hearts. Very cute. Very cute. Love it, love it, love it. Let's see what this is. Trying to open up the gifts fast because I don't want this video to be too long. People have short attention spans these days. But, I want to give it the time. She did a lot of work with this. Oh, someone's calling me on my watch. I'm going to hang up on them. What's this? Straws with hearts. I guess we're keeping with the water bottle theme. Very cute. Very cute. I love it. I don't have any of this stuff. You know what? She's enlightening me a lot of these things. You know what? She enlightened me. I have to tell you this. I didn't know about that Louis Vuitton passport covers could get stamped all over the world. I saw her video, and she has like 9 passport covers. They're really beautiful. She collects them. And she was showing the stamps she got in the passport cover. And I'm like, I need one of those. So she enlightened me that, and she enlightened me with these. Okay, here comes something else. The gifts just keep on giving. More hearts. The gifts just keep on giving. Did I say that already? Now, what is this? OM plus G. I'm gonna do the OMG pillow because this is so OMG. And it's a tribute to my friend Morrissey here. The complete Morrissey quiz book includes 200 questions. This is going to be so fun. I can't wait to do this. I can't wait to read this. I've never seen this before. It's so cool. Of course, Morrissey is one of my favorite artists, and the Smiths. It's just so cool. He's pointing. Brendan, is it in the camera? Can people see this?
Yeah, push back a little bit.
Push
more.
back, like here?
And up a little bit. That's perfect.
All right, you could see it now. The complete Morrissey quiz book, 200 questions. I bet I'm going to get all of them right. I bet I will. She's so thoughtful. I love this. I love it. Love. Oh, wait, there's something else. A composition notebook. Where did you find these things? A Morrissey notebook. Who knew there would ever be a Morrissey notebook? She's very creative. Mandy, you're very creative. I'm gonna show you both of them at the same time. How cool is this? So cool. Thank you again. I'm gonna be thanking you throughout this video. All right, moving right along. There's more gifts. She's just something else. Like I said, I hope you didn't go overboard. But it seems like you did. Okay. More hearts. More hearts and chip nail polish. All right, let's open up this. Oh, wow, very cute. Oh, my God. OMG again. OMG again. Oops, flying paper. It is a keychain with the Eiffel Tower and a passport and a plane, and she knows that I am going to Paris in May, Paris and Amsterdam, and this I will be bringing with me. It's so cute. Brendan, should I move it closer? Can people see? Brendan, move it back.
Right there.
It's a keychain. I love it. I love it. Oh, it's a keychain and bag charm. Another one. See, I don't have that many bag charms, so this is good to add more bag charms to my collection. I love it. She's so funny. She's so thoughtful. Thank you, Mandy. Another very cool gift. I think I'm being spoiled. Oh my God. All right. There's another one. I think there's one more. All right. This is the second to last. And we also have more hearts because it's Galentine's Day. All right. Let's see what this is. What could this be? Oh my God. Legos. Lego roses. Like Lego roses. I have never seen these ever, but look how cool. Hopefully I could put them together, but if I can't, Brendan can help me because he's very handy. I love this. Want to move it this way? That's not the way it goes, Brendan. How about the back? Can you see that? 120 pieces. Oh, it's for people 8 years old and up. I think I qualify. I'm a little older than 8. But sometimes I act like an 8-year-old. Anyway. Very cute. Very cute. I love it. I love it. I love these gifts. She's so thoughtful. She really is. Oh, one more. What's Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day without chocolates? You always need chocolates. Chocolates and roses or flowers. She just, she did it all. These are Ghirardelli. People say Ghirardelli. How would you say it? Who cares? They're chocolates. Chocolate-covered strawberry, milk chocolate with strawberry pieces and other natural flavors. I will be eating these after this video. Brendan, you could have some, but not many. I love it. I love all her gifts. I'm going to do a little quick inventory of each thing again. The Legos. So cute. Rose Legos. The Paris bag charm keychain. Reminds me of my trip. The Morrissey books. I can't. The Morrissey books. So cool. So cool. Love. The pencils. Oh, sorry. Are these pencils? Oh, I thought... The straws. Oh, my God. The straws. They're not pencils. The minute you look, it looks like pencils, but they're straws. My bad. The straw tops that match. Very cute. The pen, Galentine's gang, because now her and I are in a Galentine's gang. And the last but not least, the beautiful bag charm keychain heart with the bling. This was so much fun. Again, thank you, Mandy, for being so thoughtful and creative with your gifts. I absolutely love all of them. I hope you like mine, and happy Galentine's Day, happy Valentine's Day, and thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye-bye.